Now you know this is old because this is in black and white. This is before color picture came into our lives. So I noticed that like the Georgians and the Kurds, when they get older, like really up there in age, you're still young, but you know what I'm saying, when they start getting up there in age, something about their the bone structure around the eye seems like it sinks in and gives it like a darker hue around their was it the eye bag? You see their eyes? Look at their eyes. Hey. So this is in 1993 in Tbilisi, Georgia. I just didn't know. Like I knew, but I didn't know for sure. Like I kept saying to myself on my old channel that Kurds remind me of Georgians for some odd reason. I just never mentioned it. Well, I did mention it, but not in the way where I would say they look alike, because they don't look alike. But the culture are multi-ethnic. So Kurds, from what I understand, is ancient northeastern Persia. You know what I'm saying? Which is basically all of with modern day Iran. And Kurds were all over the place. So the Mazani people, you know what I'm saying? The Luri people, you know what I'm saying? Oh my God, so many. The Kuze, so many. It's not even funny. The Fars people, you know what I'm saying? And if I'm not mistaken, that's where Farsi comes from for the Kurds, the Farsi language. Farsi is, I forget which dialect, meaning in sequence wise. I know y'all speak Kerman and Kermanji and Farsi. But it makes sense though, because Georgians, if you go a little further into, a little further up from Georgia, you go into the world of Circassia, which is interesting because most Circassian countries speaks Arabic, Russian, and Chechen, which is very interesting, and Kabardian and Adigia, and Sabhug, and all that. Like, it's crazy. And yes, I've been learning, guys, but I did not know that there were Kurds in Georgia. Carnegie. So Russia really did a number on these countries in ancient times. Okay, so this outfit she got on, the lady with the white on, or look like it's white, that is Assassinian, Achaemenian, Armenian style headpiece. Beautiful music. Hey. So I want to say that I will be doing episodes on Kurds, and that's any ethnic group, including Georgians, You know what I'm saying? In every country, I'll be doing some type of reaction from one country of ethnic people and see where they located and see the difference and the similarities between the same culture but in different countries because of persecution and genocide and all this stuff. So one thing I want to know is, did these Kurds come here since it was 1993? Is this during the Persian Gulf? Because I could have sworn the Persian Gulf War was in 1994, but I mean it could have been 1993, or maybe this person got the date wrong. I don't know. Is this due to the Ottoman Empire after World War II? I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comment section. Or is this before that? I'm trying to think. I mean, I don't want to say they could have came from Greece. It depends. It really, really depends because they were living with the Greeks in ancient times for a long time. You know what I'm saying? Within the Balkan region. Babushka. Okay. Yo, so yeah, I've been doing a lot of researching, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start doing some writing because I used to write, well, I still write a lot, but I used to do like contests for writing and doing essays and stuff like that. So I'm thinking about starting to do essays on more history because that's basically what I used to do, is essays on history. And I was really good at it because I won me some scholarship money when I was in college. You know what I'm saying? You probably didn't know that I used to go to school. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, you know what I'm saying? BZ, Kurdistan, you know what I'm saying? Hey. Garma de Joba to my Georgians. Thank you, Georgia, for bringing in the Kurds. But y'all still got your own other problems to deal with Circassian tribes, meaning the people. You know what I'm saying? I didn't know that y'all betrayed. Didn't know that the government and the other people of Georgia, of Greater Georgia, betrayed those Circassians like that. I know about the Beslan massacre. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. So I just want to mention that I was reacting to Trio Mandili, which is a Georgian group, and then I watched a Kurdish video. Like I just watched the music video just to be watching it. It's a song that a Kurdish song that I already react to. And some of the guys that were in this person's video, it's a female singer, Lokas Zahir. You can look it up yourself. The men that's in her video, the guys that are dancing in the video, don't look fully Kurdish. That has always been the little trick for me because I'm like, either Kurds are multi-ethnic because you get some that look like they Spanish, you get some that look like they just fully Kurdish. You could tell they like them just straight up Kurdish. You know what I'm saying? I would say a Iranian, Turkmen look to some degree. You know what I'm saying? But Kurds been here before the Turks. See, that's the thing though. Okay, they've been here before the Serbs. Okay. Before the people in the Balkans came down. So it's very interesting because throughout all the wars and persecutions, these people are supposed to be the people from the bloodline of Jesus. I just want to let you guys know. BZ, you know what I'm saying? Kurdistan all day. When was Jesus born? I'll wait. Let me know in the comment section. Guess what month I was born in? I'm not saying anything crazy, but maybe life is trying to tell me something. You know what I'm saying? But thank you for watching. Smash that like button, make sure you subscribe, turn on your post notifications. You're ashamed.